Proxy-N-VPN Guide, make use of the potential of Craigslist advertising with classified AD proxies. Craigslist, the world's largest online advertisement site, is a great destination to promote your products or services. Classified AD proxies will help you browse the web without any restrictions imposed by firewalls, filters and massive traffic volumes that could restrict you from browsing the website. Proxies help you to enjoy the benefit of anonymous surfing in a secure and safe environment, and the best part is that it is compatible with desktop, laptop, or smartphone. This free online site of Craigslist attracts a heavy traffic, which will also bring in a lot of marketing opportunities for your products and services. Craigslist is the best possible option to purchase, sell goods and services online. Craigslist has clamped some restrictions to prevent spammers and to control the traffic flow. Classified AD proxies will help you to access the site, which is rated as the world's biggest and heavily trafficked online classified ads website. Craigslist had a geo-blocking mechanism in place, which will allow them to look at the location of your IP and impose restrictions on the way of accessing the site. Craigslist proxies will help the users to unblock Craigslist due to the IP or spam filtering structure. To reduce spam in their websites, Craigslist has installed filters to make a note of the IPs and the amount of ads that come from each IP to prevent spams and to encourage genuine customers. A provisional block will only be in force for a few hours or days, while the hard block can last for weeks or months. Classified AD proxies offer the users the advantage of fresh IPs, which will enable them to post and read Craigslist ads without any restrictions as long as they wish and to surf the web anonymously.